So the Prophet ﷺ was asked about this by Abu Hurairah. What is ghiba? Allah, no Messenger of Allah. He said, ذِكْرُكَ أَخَاكَ بِمَا يَكْرَهُ. You mention your brother in a way he hates. You mention him in his back while he hates that. If he was there to be, why did you say that about me? So he said, Messenger of Allah, was factual. This is your question. What about if it's factual? Correct. He said, if it's factual, it's correct, then you have backbitten him. And if it's not, then you have slandered him. It's worse. So both is haram, and both is major sins. So why do you want to say it if it's factual? If you want to say it for a reason of, for example, you want to raise his matter to the judge, or you want to go to the sheikh and tell him off, or you want to, for example, or this person is actually openly does this thing. You know, everybody knows about it, so no problem to talk about him. So you're trying to basically to maybe ask a question about him, make istiftah. And those are the 6 things where you're allowed to say something about somebody where that person would not like that thing to be exposed. If you are one of the 6 categories, you will be exempted. What are these 6 categories? Yalla, let's just go together. Al-qadhu laysa fi sittatin mutadhallim. The one who's been wronged. So you've been wronged under dhulm. So if you have wronged somebody and he wronged me, I'm allowed. Mutadhallim. He made me dhulm, he made me this, no problem. Mu'arrif. A person who is, for example, wants to give basically a CV about that person. So he came to me, he's asking me, he wants to get married to my daughter. What do you think of him? Brother, be careful, he's such and such. Also, mu'arrif, no, this is muhadhari. This is warning. I'm going to warn you against him. Yes, brother, it's a third issue. But mu'arrif as well, I could, for example, you know that brother, you know him? He said, who? The one with his shiny bald head. Because this is the only thing that will distinguish you. The one who's got long ears, one with big nose. I'm not trying to defame him, but I'm trying to pinpoint him. وَمُجَاهِرٍ فِسْقًا. The one who openly does haram. He's drinking in the roads, such and such drinking. He's drunkard. Yeah, everybody knows he's drunkard. وَمُسْتَفْتٍ. And the one who is making fatwa. Sheikh, I want to know, my husband is stingy. What should I do? Prophet of Allah told Hind, okay, can I take from his money while he doesn't know? He said, yeah, take from his money. Bil-ma'ruf. That means reasonable amounts. What you need. So, if you are a stingy person, your wife, she's allowed to go to your wallet, to take from that wallet whatever she needs, as long as it's not an open check for her. And so if you went back to your wallet now these days, after this lecture, I don't know, they're taking the fatwa now. So this is the 6th one. And the one who had seeked or sought help to remove something which is bad. So I go to somebody who is, I know him. Sheikh, you are a sheikh. This person, he does such and such. I'm really worried to go and talk to him. Maybe if we together talk to him, or you go and talk to him. So you are trying to get help to remove that what? That haram. You're not trying to defame him. That's allowed as well. Jazakallah khairan for that question. Now.